Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are unboxing the October Simply Earth Essential Oil Monthly Recipe Box. So Simply Earth is one of our favorite essential oil companies for so many reasons. They are affordable, they share their testing, their oils are sourced well, and an aromatherapist creates all of their recipes, which means that they are created to be used safely at the proper dilution so that they're most effective without any adverse or negative reactions. And that's my goal, and so that's why I love them so much and partner with them regularly. We have the same values. So this is their monthly box. You get this sent to your house once per month, and it is $45. I have a coupon code that gives you $45 back if you want to try it. For the first month, you get a gift card back. It's just such a great value and deal every month, and if you are one that likes to use essential oils but you're not sure how to use them most effectively and don't have the recipes or don't want to come up with how to use them, this is perfect. You get so many things. Also, you get access to an essential oils hero course to further your education, but they leave you with so much information. They go above and beyond. Anyways, that's why we love them, and I share this box every month. So each month you get 4 essential oils, some recipe cards and things to make the recipes, 6 recipes. A theme this month, I haven't looked at this yet, so I'm excited. The theme this month is home remedies. I just filmed. They have a brand new DIY box also coming out today. I don't know the timing of how I'm going to share my videos, but they have this October box launching today, and then a DIY salves and ointments box, which is so cool. I'll show you just quickly. This is one of the salves. So we're making 3 salves. They're still kind of cooling. They have these cute little labels. There's a skin healing, a rest well, and a breathe easy. So I'm gonna let this cool. And then also we get some calendula flowers and coconut oil, to make an infused calendula oil. So this is going to infuse or soak for 2 to 4 weeks. I'll probably do like 3 weeks, I'm not sure. And then you pour it into this little dropper. You can use this for so many skin irritations or just as a carrier oil. So I'm really excited. I've never made this before, and obviously it takes a while, but good things always do. And so I'm excited about that. I will share, so go watch that video. I show you how to make all of the things and share what's in that box. So anyways, this month, October, we get eucalyptus. Why can I not? My brain stopped working. Eucalyptus. There are 3 different kinds of eucalyptus or more. There's like a lot of varieties. This one is Eucalyptus globulus. You want to make sure that when you're using an essential oil that the Latin or the scientific name is on the bottle, and the ingredients should be that and that only. Defender is next. This is going to be a blend. This is clove, lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, and cinnamon. So if you're familiar with thieves, a couple similar essential oils to that. Smells just a little different though. Palmarosa, which is a single oil. It is Simbopogon. I think I said it right the first time. Martini, so Palmarosa essential oil. And then lastly, tangerine essential oil. This is Citrus reticulata. And so we get those 4. I'm going to quickly go see, I think I have maybe all of these. I'm going to go swap out the ones that I have so I can open and do a smell test and put these in my giveaway pile. If you are a subscriber to my blog, you know that I give away at least 1 essential oil every week. Make sure you're on that list. If you're not, I will put the info or the link to go subscribe down below. But it's a good email list. I don't spam you, and I give you oils, so you want to join. I'm gonna go grab those quick. So tangerine. Okay, so I did have all of those. So all 4 of these will be going into my giveaway pile. So tangerine, the freshest essential oil on the planet. There's just something about tangerine that makes you so happy, like orange and like lemon, but tangerine is like sweet and juicy. You just think of a tangerine, and I love tangerine. So anyways, Fender is next. Again, cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. And it just smells like healing to me. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. It smells like I'm sick and this is what I need, because that's how we use that essential oil. Eucalyptus. This one is also fresh, invigorating. I love putting eucalyptus in my shower or making any type of shower product with eucalyptus. Just so fresh, airway opening, smells super good. And then Palmarosa. This one isn't really like a scenty essential oil. It kind of smells like iced tea, like black tea. I've always thought it smells like that. What does this say? Sharp and floral. It's not like a floral like that. I wouldn't say it's floral. I would say. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell, it's not one of my favorite essential oils. It's kind of like a toned down, not as deep patchouli, which I love patchouli, but this just isn't, I don't know, it's not one of my favorite essential oils. Hemp seed oil, lava rock shower diffuser. So probably using eucalyptus for that, hopefully. Dried lavender flowers. So you just get a little package of lavender buds, which I have so many of these. So I'll add this to my giveaway pile too, in case anyone wants them to make some of their recipes at home. I don't like having too many things or like multiple of things I don't need. We try to be as minimalist as possible, which is kind of hard when I do what I do with all the oils, but I promise you I don't have duplicates and I use the oils that we have. Anyways, recipes, stickers. So here are the stickers. They always have cute ones to label everything you make, and no containers or anything, which is kind of surprising. And then here are the 6 essential oils, and there's also lots of stuff on the back, so make sure you read front and back of your essential oil recipes. Lavender sun infused oil, oh my goodness. So this I just showed, I think we're gonna make a lavender one, and I'm really excited because I really liked making this and I can't wait to use it. So you're going to need the lavender buds, a half a cup of carrot oil, which when you sign up, I think I forgot to mention this, when you first sign up, every first and then every 6 months after, you get a big bonus box which has coconut oil, solid and fractionated, bottles, rollers, I think beeswax, almond oil. So you'll get all the things that generally you'll need for recipes, but a cup of carrier oil is on this, and so you can just use from your big bonus box half a cup of the coconut or almond oil, and then you'll need a clear glass jar like this. And then once that sits, is it same 2 to 4 weeks? Oh, and it says to shake every few days. You're going to put it into a dropper bottle like this, which doesn't come in the box, but they have so many of those types of products, like bottles and things, on their website to purchase as well, and they're really, really cheap. Next is a hemp seed healing balm. I just made so many balms today, so I'm not gonna make this one. You basically melt, this one it's solid coconut oil, sometimes it's shea butter or mango butter with beeswax. Melt that, take it off, add in hemp seed oil, which comes this month, and then add your essential oils once it cools a little bit. And then, oh, from home you'll need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. When do you add the cornstarch? That's interesting. So I don't know why they're using coconut solid and then cornstarch. You could swap that for the shea butter if you want, if you don't have cornstarch. Autumn Zest Diffuser Blend. I will make this and share with you guys. So this is the Tangerine Palmarosa Defender, and we're making, and I'll show you, you get bottles, so I'll show you how to make that. And then Tangerine Dream Roll-On, Tangerine Palmarosa and fractionated coconut oil, and then you use and apply. So maybe we'll make the roller too. Another chest salve. So again, I made so many ointments and stuff, so same thing. This doesn't call for the, I want to know why you need the healing balm cornstarch and not for the chest salve. Anyways, it's coconut oil, the solid one that comes in your bonus box, beeswax, which also comes, the hemp seed, which you get, and then essential oils. That healing balm, and then morning shower diffuser. So we're going to use this lava rock shower diffuser, 3 drops of tangerine, 2 drops palmarosa, 1 drop eucalyptus, and you're gonna hang this from your shower. And it's really funny because I just got eucalyptus from Trader Joe's and I hung it in my shower because that's what I see everyone doing, and it died and then it got smelly. So I'm like, this is so, how do people do this and make it last? Like, you water it and then just hang it in there when you go shower. Don't get it, I need help. So if you do that, let me know what I'm doing wrong. It looks pretty for about 2 days, but then it gets weird and smelly because it dies. So what am I doing? So anyways, this is going to be the perfect replacement. Just hang this instead and really use whatever essential oil you want on this thing. Eucalyptus is always a great one because it's invigorating, but use whatever oil that smells good to you because that's gonna boost your mood just because you like it. So what are we gonna make first? I will go grab an empty jar and then we'll label our Autumn Zest Diffuser Blend and we'll make that. So you get a bunch of these little bottles and roller bottles as well. And this is just a 5 milliliter bottle that we're going to make our diffuser blend in. So we're gonna label it first. And these labels have everything you need to know about it also. So it has what essential oils are in it, and then it's child safe 10+. Do not use undiluted on skin, possible skin sensitivity, keep out of reach of children, and for external use only, diffuse in an open room. So in this bottle, we are going to add, so in here, we're going to add 50 drops tangerine, 33 palmarosa, and 17 of Defender. So I will go ahead and do that. It's so good. Palmarosa. See, when Palmarosa is mixed like this into a blend, it's great. Just on its own, I wouldn't just make a Palmarosa perfume. It gives a good note to other things, if that makes sense. Defender. And then lastly, 17 drops of Defender blend. Oops, I think I did more. So when you're making a blend like that, if you are interested in making one on your own, I do have a video on how to determine how many drops or how to choose your base, middle, and top notes. So this one had 50 drops of tangerine, and that's because tangerine is a top note. It goes away the quickest and it's the least potent, whereas Defender has some of those oils. Cinnamon, what wasn't it? Cinnamon, eucalyptus, even rosemary and clove. Those are some deep and strong essential oils, so we're going to do a lot less. And that's why they just take all of the guesswork out of it for you, and it's super easy. So now you have an Autumn Zest diffuser blend that you can diffuse all fall long. Let's see. It smells good. I can't wait to put it in the diffuser though, because I feel like I was talking about not being a huge fan of Palmarosa, and now that's all I'm smelling. I'm sure it just needs to be mixed up. Oh, no, there was the... That smells good. I can't wait to diffuse it. All right, I think that's all I'm going to use. I might put a little clip of me putting this up in my shower and putting the essential oils on it, but this is super easy. This will take 2 seconds, and you can reuse this. Obviously, you probably want to use the same essential oils just so you're not mixing a bunch and like getting weird, but eucalyptus and you're good to go. Really, that's all you need. You can just put it on every few days. This type of passive diffuser will be good for like a week, if that. They don't last forever, but you just add a couple more drops to it and you're good to go. I want to share the value because we always like to know how much we're saving. At least I do. The value of this box today is $151, and again, this is $45 per month. And you can swap oils if you like. If you see some that are coming that you already have. I just like to share the standard issue box, but obviously if I were a regular customer, I could swap out oils if I already had them. Let me know if you have any questions. We love Simply Earth, and I hope you guys do too. Make sure you go check out that other video too about their new DIY salves and ointments kit, and thank you guys so much for watching. All of the links and info will be down below. Have a good day. Bye.